I'm William Alldis from Workplace Farm Bees, and today I'm going to show you how to use a honey extractor. So we've taken a frame of honey from our bees, and as we can see we've got some wax cappings, white wax cappings on the top of this, signifying that the honey is ready to be extracted. So what we're going to do, this is a bit of an improvised honey uncapping tank. Take a regular carving knife and just slice the cappings. So once we've uncapped the honey, it goes into the honey extractor. It goes into the honey extractor with the top bar facing out. And now we will continue this with another 8 frames. Once we've loaded the honey extractor with all the frames that we can, it's now time to close the lid and a little bit of elbow grease and start extracting. What we do is we start the rotation nice and slow and steady. This is a honey filter. We have a 300 micron fine stainless steel mesh filter on this side and a 1000 micron honey filter on this side. It's a double stage filter, so the honey goes through the top stage and into the bottom. The top stage filters out all the large lumps of wax and bits and pieces, whereas the bottom stage takes out any very small quantities of pollen, bits of bee, all those sort of things that unfortunately do end up occasionally in your honey. Opening up the honey tap, nice clear honey going straight into the filter. Once we've gone clockwise, we must do the same thing again in reverse. Just to make quite sure that all of the honey is out of the comb. And once we've done our rotation in both directions, you'll see that the combs are completely empty of all honey and weigh virtually nothing. Lovely light combs. These will be returned to a hive, all the damage will be cleaned up, and hopefully within a week they'll be back filled with honey, ready for us to extract and repeat the process all over again. As for your honey now, that's ready to be filtered and stored in either jars or in bulk buckets. That's how to use a honey extractor.